Welcome to Chapter 8, Lesson 3, Functions and Equations. Let's take a look at this new vocabulary. A linear function is a function whose graph is a line. So let's take a moment just to kind of break down that term linear function. What does linear mean exactly? So you might see that word in there, line, in the word linear. So basically what linear means is having the form of or resembling a line. So go ahead and write that in. Having the form of or resembling, oh, this is messy, sorry, a line. Okay, then what's an everyday definition of a function? So think about how you function in life, or what's the function of, some object that you have, okay? So a function is the purpose for which something is designed or what it exists for, right? So we'll write that in here. So a function is the purpose for which something is designed. You'll have to excuse my messiness as I'm writing this with my finger. Is designed. Okay. All right. What do you notice about this graph that you see here in the lower left section of this block? So you can tell that that graph forms a line, right? So that's pretty standard. So this is an example of a linear function, okay, since it forms a line. So that's essentially what a linear function means, okay? And the math definition of a function means that it's a relationship that has exactly one output value for every one input value. So basically every input serves a certain function, okay, or gives a certain function but has that output. Okay, so it's a relationship that assigns one output value to one input value. So we're going to go ahead and use now our understanding of a linear function to take a look at the examples on the next page.